Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in the 2023 Acura TLX Advance. So the Advance package was the highest trim level other than the Type S from 2021 to 2023. The Advance package no longer exists with the 2024 and 2025 models. So the Advance gives you some nice features such as heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, 360-degree camera system, ELS Studio 3D 16-speaker sound system, open pore Ashboro wood trim. This is the Greystone interior. You also get contrast black stitching and piping. The seats, quite nice. You also have wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You have comfort, normal, and sport modes. And these advanced packages are not that common because, as I said, they only lasted for 3 model years. So they're not all that easy to find, especially a certified pre-owned model like this one with 17,000 miles on it. Well, let's walk around this Advance. It's finished in modern steel metallic. So these are the Advance wheels. After the Advance stopped being made in the 2024 model year, these wheels are now on the Tech package. You see that TLX Tech 2025 over there? So they did that. Tires in the rear seats, super handling all-wheel drive, and here's the rear cargo mat. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. So this one has super handling all-wheel drive. I'm pretty sure, I don't remember if it came standard with it or not, but I don't think it did. Only the Type S had super handling all-wheel drive standard. You could also get the Advance with front-wheel drive, if I remember correctly. But obviously all-wheel drive is the upgrade. Gives you better handling. Torque vectoring all-wheel drive, it's great. I like the Advance. Has some nice features. It's a nice, very restrained design. Obviously, like, it looks pretty much like a Tech. This is definitely the TLX that someone would want to get if they don't want to have a very sporty appearance but just have a nice looking sedan that is luxurious for them. Like, for example, the A-Spec and Type S have spoiler. The A-Spec has a spoiler, has black trim, and the Type S has quad outlet exhaust. So someone who doesn't want a sporty look would want to do that. Would want to get something like that, right? .272 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. Same powertrain that the TLX and the RDX have had for many years now, for almost 7 years in total. You also have adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, and you also have a head-up display. I forgot to mention the head-up display. The Advance was the only TLX that had a head-up display. The Type S didn't even have it. So from 2021 to 2023, if you wanted a TLX with HUD, you had to get the Advance package. So the infotainment system is pretty easy to use. A lot of people are intimidated by the true touchpad interface, but it's really not that. No, it's really not hard to use at all. You just have to try to get used to it, and within a day after using it, you'll get used to it. And also, I forgot to mention, the Advance package gave you this beautiful polished metal trim. No other TLX has this either. All the other TLXs have like black plastic trim, but this is really nice. The Advance is the only one with these nice, with this. So this has the most upscale TLX interior to date. And you also have the adjustable lumbar support, side bolsters, and the thigh extension in this car. That's another thing the TLX Type S didn't have. So yeah, this Advance, the seats are more comfortable, have a lot more capability for customization and movement too. You also have remote start on the key fob. overall, this is a very nice vehicle to drive. Great features, and I really like the TLX Advance. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drive. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Acura TLX.